Hold back the other. I am about to arrive in a sacred place where I await the mystery that shows itself and vanishes, which is presence, absence. Behold me, oh God, oh good, oh good. Enchantment me, place me in your heart, or if you prefer, ravish me. Drag me away from here, from every man and creature, from every sun and earth. Capture me forever, but leave me an instant in your light, so that it warms my soul with your poetry. Oh, Dio, sugnu, Ammàliami, mettimi in taluto cori, o si prifirisci, arrubbami. Oh, Dio, sugnu, Ammàliami, mettimi in taluto cori, o si prifirisci, arrubbami. Let me read a single line, a word of yours, so that upon my return I may find fruit in my land. Let me become the thief of your verses, and that on 2 sheets of pure white paper I can copy your rose. I will use them as wings to return to my land, and creating them know that I still have something to write